On this episode of Blue Odyssey we are going to explore philosophy of science, discussing the nature of scientific inquiry and its limitations. The philosophy of science is a branch of philosophy that critically examines the methods, assumptions, and implications of scientific inquiry. It explores questions about the nature of scientific knowledge, the scientific method, and the limits of scientific understanding. Here are some key aspects to consider when discussing the philosophy of science on your channel. Number 1. Scientific method. Discuss the principles and steps involved in the scientific method, such as observation, hypothesis formation, experimentation, data analysis, and theory development. Highlight the importance of empirical evidence and the role of falsifiability in scientific theories. Number 2. Scientific realism versus instrumentalism. Explore the debate between scientific realism and instrumentalism. Scientific realism asserts that scientific theories aim to provide an accurate representation of reality, while instrumentalism argues that scientific theories are merely useful tools for making predictions and organizing observations. Number 3. Induction and deduction. Examine the role of induction, drawing general conclusions from specific observations, and deduction, drawing specific conclusions from general principles in scientific reasoning. Discuss the strengths and limitations of both approaches. Number 4. Theory confirmation and falsification. Explore the criteria for confirming or falsifying scientific theories. Discuss Karl Popper's falsification criterion and Thomas Kuhn's concept of paradigm shifts, which highlight the importance of empirical testing and the role of anomalies in scientific progress. Number 5. Scientific revolutions. Discuss the concept of scientific revolutions and paradigm shifts, as proposed by Thomas Kuhn. Explore how major shifts in scientific thinking occur and how they impact our understanding of the world. Number 6. Limits of science. Reflect on the limitations of scientific inquiry, such as the inability to address certain metaphysical or ethical questions, the role of values in scientific research, and the potential for bias or limitations in experimental design. By delving into the philosophy of science, you can engage your audience in thought-provoking discussions about the nature of scientific knowledge, the methods used to acquire it, and the boundaries of scientific understanding. This exploration can foster a deeper appreciation for the complexities and nuances of scientific inquiry. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the Blue Odyssey gang and be notified every time we drop. Peace and blessings.